The yolks of hard-boiled eggs creamed with mayo, sour cream Dijon, and a splash of lemon juice. One of the most requested ways to serve eggs. Try this classic deviled eggs recipe. We're not going to take a ton of time on this one, but make sure you watch to the very end because we're going to show you how to take deviled eggs from simple to amazing. Here's how to make them. First, we need to hard boil the eggs. Place 1 dozen eggs into a pot, cover them with cold water, place on stovetop and bring to a boil. As soon as they come to a boil, reduce the temperature to moderate and cook for 7 minutes more. Then drain away the hot water, add cold, and let the eggs cool completely. Next, we peel away the egg shells. We're then going to cut the eggs in half. You can scoop or simply push the cooked egg yolks into a, this is very important, fine sieve resting over a small bowl. We're going to place the egg whites onto a plate. Back to the egg yolks, we're going to pass them through the sieve. Now we have a very fine egg dust. There are no clumpy bits. This ensures perfectly creamy deviled eggs. Into the bowl, we're going to add 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of sour cream, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Do 1/8 teaspoon of garlic powder and then 2 or 3 dashes of Tabasco sauce. Stir everything together to combine thoroughly. Look how creamy this is. Transfer the egg mixture into a piping bag. I fit the bag with a little tip. I like using an open star tip. Then add a squeeze of the egg into each egg white. The classic garnish for this recipe is a sprinkle of parsley and then a little hint of paprika. But watch this. Where are my bacon lovers? How about 2 shards of crispy, thick cut bacon? Give me a sprinkle of freshly cracked black pepper, just like bacon and eggs. Feeling blue? Let's add a little bit of blue cheese right on the top of the eggs and then a sprinkling of chopped fresh chives. How about something a little fishy? Beautiful smoked salmon. Add a little bit of red onion. How about a caper? A flourish of parsley and then just a smidge of horseradish. Trust me, your friends and family are gonna love our deviled eggs, especially if you serve them like I do. Amazing. Full recipe is up at weekendatthecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for this video on our dedicated YouTube channel. You can subscribe to it as well. And then when eggs are this beautiful, take a picture of them, post them using hashtag weekendatthecottage on your favorite socials, like Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. The classic deviled eggs recipe, garnished. Exactly what I have a taste for. Enjoy. So delicious and creamy and wonderful.